Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. There is a new airdrop that is currently trending, so I actually want you guys to go and accumulate this coin. I know it's a little bit late because this coin have been in existence for more than 2 months now. So but for the purpose of people that like airdrop and want to participate in airdrop, I know some of you are aware of this coin and some of you are not aware. So for those that don't know that way, I'm going to show you how you can actually accumulate this coin very fast and make money to yourself. So I will drop a link on the description, okay, and also on the comment box. So you click on it and register. Once you register, you will see a menu like this where you see let's go, join Notcoin community, and you will see how to play. What you need to do is you click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, it's going to load. Once it's load, and you will now see a pop Notcoin where you are going to accumulate it, and I will show you how you can accumulate this very fast and by doing some certain tasks and the rest. So as you can see, it's actually loading. So can you see I have like 139,746 worth of a Notcoin. I actually started this yesterday night. It's not even up to a day. Let me say some hours, like 16 or 12 hours day by. So I'm actually doing this to show you guys how you can accumulate this very fast, because according to research that I have made, if you have up to 10 million worth of Notcoin, that is $300, and Notcoin is going to be listed on OKX, Binance, KuCoin, and Bybit very soon, because right now people are actually voting for the exchange to be listed first. So I think OKX right now is ranking number one. So I think OKX will be the first platform to launch Notcoin this year. It might be towards that April or even April. Yeah, I think it might be towards that April. So you need to accumulate this very fast right now. So after registering on the platform, this is how you are going to accumulate the coin. You will be keep clicking on this coin like this. As you can see, it's showing 5. You can see, it's showing it adding 5 coin to my balance here. Why do I have 5 here? In your own aspect, after registering on this app, if you tap on it, you will accumulate one Notcoin. Then I want to show you how you can accumulate up to 5. You can accumulate fast, how you can boost your energy very fast. So we are going to do this right now. So you can see where you are saying gift card, like gift box here, where you see friends is actually where you are going to invite friends and you earn a particular commission from that. You see, and n here is the amount of coin you are going to accumulate if you reach a particular criteria of a thing or something. You earn from here. If you invite a friend, up to 10 friends, you earn a particular reward of Notcoin. So boost here is where I'm actually going to show you how you can boost your earning. And what we need to do is to click on boost here. Let me show you what I really mean. Can you see my multiple tap? I am currently on level 4. So once you are on level 4, you are going to be earning 5 Notcoin each tap. Then you can see the energy here. I'm also on level 4 here on the energy. It's actually increased the energy limit from 1000 to 2000, from 2000 to 3000. You can see the auto tap bot. This auto tap bot, you need to buy it. For even if you are not tapping on the Notcoin, you will accumulate a certain amount of this Notcoin, because this bot, what this bot does is it's going to be tapping for you even when you are sleeping. While you are sleeping, the bot is tapping for you, and it will accumulate some certain coin for you. This bot is 20,000 Notcoin. So you can do this. So this bot is very important. Even is very important in the aspect that even when you are not online, you are not there to tap on this coin. Once you log into this coin, after some hours, the coin will already accumulate some coin for you, and it is left for you to claim it. For you to earn 5 not coin, each tap is you need to level up, keep clicking on here and level up to that point. So I want to level up to 6. Let me click on it to show you. You can see increase amount of Notcoin you can earn per one tap, plus 1 per tap for each level. So if I click on this, I'm going to buy this with 16,000 Notcoin, and I will be earning $66. 66, sorry, I will be earning 66 Notcoin each tap. So let me click on it to buy it. Can you see that I have bought it here now? So if let me also click on energy limit here, so you can see 500 Notcoin for each level. So I need to click on it. So I have clicked on it. I'm currently on level 5 now. So let me go back and show you what actually means. So if I now tap on this now, you will see I'm now earning 66 Notcoin. So you can actually go and try this out. It's actually a good project, so just try it out. Okay, appreciate me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like my video and share my video for this effort I've been putting online here to actually update you guys. Please just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you guys.